My brother, the sooner you get yourself involved, the better for you.
I've heard. I beg. Drink my drink. Go and sleep like a baby, wake up like a giant. They're stuttering over things way will stress my mind. Like,
say so. That reminds me. What's up with that northern deal you told me about?
Cool down. What did they hurt you? Nothing wait on you.
This man, you are doing like saying you're not a businessman.
Cool down. Drink your drink, my guy. I beg. Cool down.
This is business, so.
Now me will give you the connect. You don't feel marital affair. So drink. I beg you.
Say so.
No be waiting.
No finish your marriage matter.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no, come. Oh, come in. Okay. You need to give us some time, okay? Let me talk to my friend. So you come back later to finish up.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm sorry for barging.
It's okay.
You know, we've been friends for years, if not more than 15 years now. And we've been nice to each other. So I believe I can confide in you.
Yes.
Especially how you've been taking good care of me for these 2 days now, feeding me, clothing me and all that.
That's fine. See, Stella, I will appreciate it if you can just go straight to the point.
Okay, fine. I got married to the love of my life. And he has been taking good care of us, me, my child, my parents. Even though he doesn't have much, he's been there for us, assisting me, saw me through school, and even now that I'm 7, he's been the one providing for us. And please, I just want to beg you to introduce me to your line of business so I can also be of help to my husband. I want to assist him. I want to be of help to my home. Just introduce me. You know me, you know I can do anything. Please.
Okay. I've heard you clearly. Manasi Akwamata, if Eji Abogalana. Osekora Bakora.
Tina, you know me. You know I'm a very hardworking girl. I can do anything. Have you forgotten? During our secondary school days, I do some of your chores for you.
Easier said than done.
Just a trial. A trial will make you understand. I will never disappoint you, I promise. Please.
Okay. You go back to your room and think about it. I'll be thinking about it too, okay? Then tomorrow we'll talk.
Tina, I don't understand.
I know you don't, but you will understand with time.
Tina, you know I'm a very hardworking girl. You know everything. Even during our secondary school days, I even used to help you do some of your chores and all that.
I know. Okay, it's fine. Just go back to your room and think about it while I think about it too.
There's nothing to think about. Just try me. I will never disappoint you. Please. Please.
We'll talk about it tomorrow.
Except it's you that wants to think about it. As for me, I don't have anything to think about. I'm ready. Just introduce me. I'll be your friend, though.
Stella, I know. Okay, tomorrow.
I think. No problem. I'm begging you. You're my friend. You don't disappoint me because what? Oh, come a long road, Tina.
I know.
Thank you.
Okay, Stella. Hey baby, come finish what you started. see Moro here. Hey, Chief. Good day. Oh, you want to come to my house? Really? When? Okay, this evening. Alright, I'll be waiting for you. Okay, bye, Chief. Bye. Hey, baby. How are you?
I'm good. As you can see, I'm fine.
Yes, you look very well.
Yeah.
Stella, are you not watching the movie? So, this I forget. Chief is coming to the house this evening.
Okay.
Please, you know now. Act like you're my cousin, not my sugar pie. Okay? I don't need to notice anything.
Come on, baby. I don't have any problem with that.
I know. Thank you.
Madam de Hon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I don't know, sir.
Is your madam home?
Yes, sir.
Go and tell her that $1 money man for bosses.
Okay, sir.
I'm sorry.
Madam.
No, well done. Madam, you get one man with that side. He carry that kind of car with the always park here. But he own the right hand. Ubana.
Ubana! Go to the gate.
Make her open up.
Open! I said, open the gate or someone open.
Okay, well, you're on this side.
Okay.
Baby, how are you? Wow, wow, wow. I didn't know this place was so beautiful when I bought this place for you.
All thanks to you.
Did they, some kind of renovation took place or what?
something like that.
You're working, eh? Oh. Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh. My babe.
Actually.
As someone says so.
There is nothing you cannot do, protocol breaker. There is nothing you cannot do, Jehovah overdo it. I have tasted of your love, I have seen your mighty works. Mountain mover, Jehovah, oh your name is man. There is nothing you cannot do, protocol breaker. There is nothing you cannot do, Jehovah overdo it. I have tasted of your love, I have seen your mighty works. Mountain mover, Jehovah, oh your name is man. Anukube.
Yes, darling.
You don't hear me, they call you since.
What do you might answer you? I answer you, yes, darling.
And who be your darling? Eh? Who be your darling? No be your fault. I no blame you at all. If not be Madam Tina visitor, I for no carry my 2 leg and give you this food. You for wait tire until you carry this your 2 left leg, can't carry the food.
Nothing they bother me for this house. Where madam go even rent people like you, very dry people where no they romantic at all. See darling, where they go call somebody. Anybody where they call darling go just melt down. You just call you darling, you carry quarrel, put inside the darling. I don't know why I love you. I still they find the reason why I like you. I never see how.
I no blame you. Carry your food. Like no chop. Don't be small thing. Wait again.
I beg, who be that man who come, that big man who brought carry car come? Who be?
I don't understand. Any problem?
Who be the man? You don't know who him be. If you see the way where the man there here, they kiss madam. Madam just, oh baby. Oh shit. I can't say what they do, madam. That's what 2 of them just run slow up. Who be?
Cho. Anyway, in name now, mind your business.
See, Mumu, because I ask you small question, I make you wait. Come carry hand the hit for small man Kenya, she where you carry. Mumu, no blame you. Aye. So you no feed the man though. See, small food. Walk like elephant, chop like rat. Hey! 3 spoons.
Like it?
Delicious.
Thank you. Don't flatter me.
This and that.
This
is only. That's what I have. I'm not going to say them in Filmark. No. For everything you see me do, I have a reason. Honestly. I
trust.
Oh yeah. Okay. You know, you actually roasted this.
Yes, I did. I prepared everything myself.
Very good. As it stands, migration is involved.
Okay, Jesus.
You have filled my stomach. As a matter of fact, you've gotten me pregnant with food. I have to be on my way.
I'm glad you enjoyed your meal.
No, I did. I just have a few appointments to meet up with. And then after that, after appointments too.
Oh, Chief, that's my cousin. He came on a 3-day visit from school. David, come and say hi to Chief.
Good day, sir. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So what is your name?
My name is David, sir.
She said you're in school. Which school is that?
University of Nigeria, sir.
That should be in Suka, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is your discipline?
I study biology, sir.
Biology?
Yes, sir.
He looks quite biological.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. Our virus. Give me some praise. She said your name is
David, sir.
David. Can you help us? Use this to help your life.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And of course, you get your earring.
Okay, sir.
Men don't wear earring.
No problem, sir.
I've told you. Don't wear earring now. I told you.
I'm sorry, that's not.
Anyway, before you came, I was actually on my way. All right, have fun.
Bye, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for the effort.
Yes.
This is money. David.
Fine boy like me. Happy. I studied biology. University of Nigeria.
See money. Okay. As soon as I'm done with you.
Baby, you're good, you're good. I'm going to surprise you by tomorrow. Always remember that all my surprises comes in a kum way.
Hey, Chief!
Baby, don't leave me. Please don't leave me.
I can't, Chief. Am I stupid? I can't leave you, Chief. I can't try it.